a child that he wanted to attend the University of Michigan. And now, upon graduating, Mr. Johnson will officially become a Michigan man. To the stage.
Hello. As the last weeks of high school passed, we as students had a tendency to look back on the journey that has led us to this day. We reminisced about the fun times we had, the people we met, and the experiences we shared. Most seniors will be itching to break free, to escape from the proverbial clutches of high school. However, we have never been a normal group of students. We have always had a tendency to not follow the norm of those in our position, and as our last days approached and passed, never was this more true. We took pride in the unique qualities of our family, and now, as we look to the future, we find that the things we've learned will stay with us forever. The future that lies ahead of us is as varied as the solutions to our many design challenges. Every student has a different goal than the one next to them. However, we will all take the next step together. The moments that are yet to come will be the ones that we add to our life stories. We will face numerous challenges from others. And whether those challenges are related to education, employment, or even life decisions, we will all face challenges that seem insurmountable at first. However, we will find ways to surpass the challenges in front of us in true Mustang fashion, using the tools from the innovative curriculum we have been exposed to. At SCS, we learn and practice thinking outside of the box and putting a creative spin on even the most mundane tasks. We all have potential that has not been tapped into yet. However, we have learned to use our creativity to influence our ideals in order to tap into this potential. This will allow us to personalize even the most innovative systems, publications, products, documents, artwork, and tools. The students here today will be the ones that go on to make changes to the products we use every day. We have learned how much work goes into changing everyday items and procedures. And as we celebrate the transition from high school, we take a new and frightful step. This step is difficult for young adults and the people who care for us. However, we are never alone in this transition. We are a family, and we will be forever. We will accompany and help one another as we change the world. We will tackle challenges together, and above all else, we will use the lessons we have learned from each other. We are the first and best, and our future is as bright and ambitious as the goals we have set for ourselves. Thomas Edison once said, "There's a way to do it better. Find it." My challenge to you is to not find the better way, but to create the better way. Use what you have learned to be the architect of the movements that will be talked about for years to come. Innovative thinking is in our blood, and it is our responsibility to lead the world into a new age of design thinking. Thank you.